So I bought another Commodore. Again, it's got a good motor in this one. Should be sweet, so we're gonna see if it works. Fire up Jamie.
See what happens, right?
Here we go, here we go. Man. Alright, that's enough.
Works.
Yep, works. Holy fuck, cunt.
Missus will love that.
Oh, you're gonna get shot, eh?
Yeah, it's alright. Worth it.
Should be right. Sorry, neighbours. So, starting to strip this rig. Selling a bit of parts out of it. And gonna pull the motor out. Should be easy. So I got most of it all out. Just about to pull it out now. She's pretty well ready to go. It's all been unpopped. All undone. So I'm gonna pull this out. Alright, so got the motor out. It's all good. Car's ready to be gone to the wreckers. Got the motor over here. I went and degreased it all up. So it looks pretty good now. Sweet as. It's good because these engine mounts look pretty new. Solid as. Nice and clean. So yeah, now I just have to go put it in junk over there. It's hiding away. So I'll probably do that tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll put this in the same video or not. But yeah, that's it. See ya. So it's going to be a busy day today. Gonna go and get this car. It's going to get picked up and it's going to the wreckers, I think. I don't know, some random's picking it up for free. It's Commodore I pulled the motor out of and stripped. But right now, before I go over there and push it out on the street, the old Lance is going. It's ready there to be picked up. Got all the paperwork there and pen and whatnot. Transfer papers and roadworthy, so they're supposed to be coming right now to pick it up. So, see you in a second. Alright, so not a bad start to the morning. Lance is gone, so all gone. Can't see it there no more. So, yeah, now I gotta go and get this Commodore out of the way. So I gotta go drive over to my mate's house, that's where it's at. So, yeah, I will see you there in a minute. Alright, so pulling this motor out. This is the dead one. Pretty well nearly done. Just got to get the gearbox bolts off and the engine mounts and the fuel lines. But yeah, it's just about ready to be pulled out. Alright, so got the motor here. It's ready to be pulled out. Got the engine mounts undone, all the bolts at the back. Harness is sitting on the top, so I just pulled it out from the ECU. And you can see, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that now, so you can get you down there. But yeah, it's coming away, so it's good. So I gotta hook it up and pull it out, throw that motor in. So I'll get there and do that now. So I've got the motor out now, chilling here, and I've got to pull the clutch and the flywheel off. That's about it. So it turns out the engine harness is different, so I've deleted the engine harness off it and there's no wiring on it, and I was told it had a new clutch, but if you look here you can see heat spots everywhere, and the clutch does have meat on it, so I'm just going to send it. That's just the broken bit because I didn't get enough tilt on the motor. So pulled the harness out there, and I've pulled this harness off this one. This is the new motor, and that's the old harness there. Put the fuel lines on it, so it's almost there, getting there.
What are you doing here, old mate?
Hey?
What are you doing?
Trying to get rid of all the grime and oil and junk because it's filthy, because it's Commodore. Is that it?
220,000 kilometers of fury, is it? Or
Oh yes.
less, or
I think a bit more.
a bit more?
Yeah, a bit more than that.
It's all gone.
What do you got going on here?
Oh, extending the pipe. They'll put that piece of shit in there.
Extending the pipe. What do you got? What's this? Tell us more about it. 4H what? 16 valve, 20 valve, 16 valve, rebuilt. What else?
Exhaust, I guess. That's pretty much it.
What series Corolla?
Hey,
What series Corolla is it?
892.
92? Any future plans for it?
Paint it again.
Paint it again?
Yeah.
What colour? White?
Blue, man.
Blue?
Yeah, back to blue.
What colour blue?
Like a sky blue.
Sky blue?
Yeah.
Any plans for a turbocharger?
Yes.
Or it definitely
Plenty
looks
of room for it.
it needs a Garrett.
Needs one. Needs a T25, the big one. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, nice, man. Have a go at these fucking Pelicans. We've got one cunt under here thinking he's fucking building a race car. This fucking Pelican in there is no man of old, apparently.
Look at the gap on it. Terrible.
Yeah.
Look back up here.
Excuses, cunt.
You're not right. First one virgin.
He's cleaned the bay up on this. Still dirty as fuck. But it is a lot better than what he done. I will admit that. A lot better. The dirty one. Whoa. The intercooler's off the Caldina. Quick update on the Caldina. AC's out of it. Bottom end coming out. All the good shit's coming out of it. Sending the bottom end down to Gobby's parts in Toowoomba. Going 2.2 litre. Already brought a GDW 3884 for it. 67mm. Yeah, we're going for like 700-800 horsepower, but different story. 31. Turbo's on it, waiting for parts for this fucking thing. Rail showed up for it today. They finally pulled his fucking finger out. Still deciding whether to auto bomb it or manual. And we got the manual sitting in there. Manual. Box for it over there. We've got the 25 sitting there. Still not quite sure. This is a turbo for it anyway. GDX 3071R. Straight off the Caldina onto it. Some form of Chinese steam pipe manifold. Yeah, looking like it's going on a 2nd gen Commodore or something of the like, but different video I suppose. Mazda head. These fucking Pelicans. Hold on, we'll suss out what these cunts up do. What are these fucking pufters up to?
Oh, I'm gonna see if we can get this thing painted, eh?
I think he's jumping a lot ahead of where you're at though, right now.
You get a fucking thing running.
We need to sort of get the thing running first. But we've got fuel rail.
Yeah, I just told him about that.
One of 100 things.
Getting there.
Where is it even at? Tell us more about it.
2 years later.
Where's this at?
Yeah.
There's a turbo sitting on it, but that's about it. It's not bolted up, it's just dummy fitted.
Yeah.
That's really about it.
Waiting on parts.
Yeah, wait, I need to sell this, get this done, sell this so I can throw some money into the 31.
Fair enough.
So we need to hook in and do that. Well, I need to hook in and do
You're more like, is it getting manual or is it getting autoed? Are you going to blow the auto?
I was maybe going to send the auto and see what the box can take, because
Blow it up?
yeah, it's going to blow it up. Probably.
Why fix it if you haven't broken it?
Well, I've run a standard turbo setup on before. With the auto. And
It's a little bit bigger than a standard turbo though, isn't it?
Yeah, so it might just smush into your milkshake real quick.
What side turbo's on it?
3076 eBay.
Send it.
Yeah.
China?
Send it.
Chinesium?
Loves the China.
Yeah. I love the China.
Get there. Get in there.
The cooler for it?
Yeah, I got the China.
Yeah.
And the Shiner up.
Half of it's shine. Courtesy of summer.
Yeah, someone did that.
Fucking
Thanks,
arsehole.
Jamie.
Not Jamie.